Do you have the hiccups? Oh, you have the hiccups. Oh, they frustrate you. I know. Oh.
So let me get this straight. You can eat fire, but just not your own? That's kind of mean. Whoa. Nah, I'm alright. But you two enjoy.
My poor baby.
We should be eating together as a team.
Oh, well.
Oh.
They're all fat stuff.
From a look, Carl, that's who likes them all. Hold it,
Hey,
Pat.
you're so cute though. You're so cute though.
Don't be shy. They look super cute in this uniform. Have you had enough food, Master? Or shall I bring you some more? Your wish is my command.
Oh.
I'm joking about the costume, but she took it seriously.
I guess we're just gonna have to go along
Oh.
with it. Don't say anything, okay?
Okay.
You.
My name's Cabby Miller. Nice to meet you.